एक ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी है कि ह्यूमन ब्रेन पुट्स मोर वैल्यू टू द थिंग्स दैट आर डिफिकल्ट टू ऑब्टेन, दैट आर हार्ड टू अचीव। अगर हमें कोई चीज़ बहुत इजीली मिल जाए, हम क्यों कोई हार्ड वर्क करेगा उसके लिए? Why I will even try to think of achieving that if anything is very easily achievable? I will not put my efforts. My mind actually will not tell me to get that thing कि मुझे वो चाहिए, because human psychology के हिसाब से human mind वही चीज़ चाहता है जो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो पाने में, बहुत मुश्किल से मिले वो चीज़, उसी चीज़ के ऊपर ह्यूमन ब्रेन फोकसेस मोर. वी गिव आवर फोकस टू द थिंग्स दैट आर लिमिटेड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम जब अपने लिए कुछ खरीदते हैं, व्हेन वी बाय समथिंग, तो हम कौन सा चीज़ हम प्रेफर करते हैं खरीदने? दैट विच इज नॉट ओन बाय मेनी पीपल, समथिंग यूनिक. हम कुछ यूनिक ढूंढते हैं, हम ऐसा चीज़ ढूंढते हैं जो सभी के पास ना हो. एंड वी रन आफ्टर द थिंग्स विच आर वेरी limited stock or something which is not made in lot of quantities. Our psychology, our mind every time does the same thing for everyone. और ऐसा फील होता है ना कभी कभार कि हम कुछ पहन लिए और किसी को हम देख लिए कि वो इंसान भी वही चीज़ पहना है. We feel awkward in each and everything in life. We want to do something different. We want to do something which is unique. We try to establish those. We try to master those. और भी कुछ आपने नोटिस किया होगा, someone is specialized in making biryani, someone is specialized in making dosa. Few people think that they will make dosa for the whole day. They will make biryani for the whole day, and people will come and keep on eating their dishes. Whereas few people have identified that if they only open their shop for 2 hours and the person who is selling for the whole day will not generate so much income rather than the person who has opened their shop only for 2 hours because they have limited quantity with excellent quality. So quality is the thing which matters the most. If you maintain the quality of your work, then people will be attracted to you rather than the person who is making his things available for the whole day. Which brand you will try to reach out to? Where you would like to go? Where the quality is better, where the price is better, and they have limited things in their shop. So people will rush out in their outlet. People will rush out in their shop. Similarly, people will reach out to you if you have a better quality than others.